Once you have analytic reporting installed, everything is ready to start using your reports. Analytic reporting supports all standard modules, but works equally well with custom modules. Use search to find an existing report. Make changes as needed and press Save As once you are happy with your new report. Or, if you can't find a suitable template, use the report builder to make your own report from scratch. In the report builder, you have the option of using the simple or extended version. In the extended report builder, you can specify all the module relations manually. However, in most cases, analytic reporting will identify the correct relations itself, so using simple most often is the best option. Once you have selected your report modules, select the folder to save the report in, name it appropriately, and finally make sure that the report type is selected as standard. Combined reports are an advanced type of report that will be covered in a later lesson. Make sure you save, and your report is ready to use. Initially, your new report will open empty. Make sure to select a few fields and, if needed, filters and grouping. And press Preview. Once you are happy with your new report, make sure to save it. And as per usual, if you have any questions, please contact our support.